Assalamu alaikum, grade 1. Take out your English grammar book and open your page number 38. Our topic is pronouns. What are pronouns? Pronouns are words which are used in place of nouns are called pronoun. For example, she, it, he, they. This is Mary. She is my best friend. We use she in place of Mary. This is Fluffy. It is a dog. This is Charlie, is a boy. These are children, they are flying kites. The words she, he, it and they are used in place of noun like Mary, Fluffy, Charlie, children. Okay, let us understand. Write these sentences in your notebook using the correct pronouns from the bracket. Olivia is a nice girl. He or she always help me. Olivia is a girl, so we use she for girl. In place of noun, we use she as a pronoun. Richard has a balloon. It or they is red in color, so it is red in color. Lara has a baby brother. It or he is only 5 months old, so he is a boy, so we use pronoun like he is a pronoun, and we use he in place of boy, in place of noun. Okay, my cousins live in France. My cousins, so here we have not one cousin, cousins, so they or it will come to meet us soon. So they are more than one, so we use they. So they will come to meet us soon. Okay, practice A. Replaced the underlined word with a word used in place of noun in your notebook. Barbara has not come to school. Barbara is not well, so she is a girl, so we use pronoun here, and because she is a girl, so we use because she is a girl, so we use she. Okay, Jack loves to play cricket. Jack is the captain of the school team, so Jack is a boy, so we write he is the captain of the school team. Mrs. Brown is our teacher, so Mrs. Brown is a girl, so or woman, so we write here she teaches us science. My school is very big. School is non-living thing, so we use it for non-living thing, so it has 2 swimming pools. Now page number 39 is your homework. Look at page number 40. Pronouns. Read the sentences below. This is a goat. These are goats. This is a table. These are tables. So the word this is used for noun, that means one, and the word these is used when we mean more than one. When you have one thing, place, etc., you use this, and when you have more than one things, places or people, so you use these. Use the word this or these in the blanks. Look at this picture. Here, dash children, these are children because they are more than one. So dash is a man, this is a man. Dash flowers, these are flowers. Dash shops, because more than one shops, so these are shops. Look at this picture. Here, more than one houses, so here you have more than one houses, so you write these are houses. But here on this picture, one house is specific, so this is a house. Look at this picture. Dash books, these book. Look at this shoe. This is a shoe. Look at this picture. These are birds. Replace the word this with these in the following sentences. Study the example and then write the sentences in your notebook. Okay. I love this puppy. I love these puppies. I want to buy this mug. So you write, I want to buy these, THESE, these mugs. I picked up this shell from the beach. I picked up these, THESE, these. Change this mat. So you write these, THES, these. Replace this with these. I water this plant every day. I water these plants. These plants every day. Okay, shelf, mats, these mats. I picked up these shelves. I want to buy these mugs because we use these for more than one thing. So you have to write mugs here, shelves here, mats here, plants here. And page number 42 is your homework. Now look at your page number 43. Pond. Dash is a pond. Pond is not near to this girl. So we write that is a pond. THAT, that. Now look at your page number 44. We can use these and those when there are more than one things. These is used to describe things that are close to us. Those are used to describe things that are far away from us. So look at this picture. These are 4 candles. We use these because things and these candles are close to this girl, and we use those are bulbs because bulbs are far away from this boy. Fill in the blanks with this or that. Dash table is dirty. This table. Dash chair is broken. That chair is broken. Dash is a toy car. This is a toy car. Dash man is tall. That man is tall. Page number 45 and 46 is your homework. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.